Located in Tallassee, Alabama, Restoration 49 Coffee and Customs is a unique concept for a coffee shop. The front part of the building is where the coffee shop is located, with plenty of well-decorated space filled with everything from restored cars to antiques to historical artifacts from the Tallassee area. They even have one of the old floodgates from the Thurlow Dam. Owners Dylan and Haley Daniels say they were inspired to try and help bring restoration to downtown Tallassee, a town which has had more than its share of struggles over the years. They've taken a historical building known as the Patterson Building, which had been vacant for many years, and turned it into one of the coolest places in the area to hang out and have your favorite coffee or tea. Behind the coffee shop is what makes Restoration 49 truly unique though. Dylan has a full workshop where he works to restore cars and other antiques when he's not busy running the coffee shop with Haley. He's been restoring cars for years, and now he and his wife are living their dream together, getting to do what they both love, while helping to bring rejuvenation and restoration to their community.